Can you imagine being hung upside down, screaming for mercy as your child is dragged away from you? You watch helplessly as your loved ones are killed one by one. Your body is exploited, milked dry, and then, when there's nothing left, you're sent to slaughter. Imprisoned for life, you're no longer seen as a being, only a source of entertainment, only an object. This is the reality for animals on our planet. They endure unimaginable pain and suffering, all for human convenience. Their agony is often denied, swept under the rug by excuses that make no sense. But what if we were to replace these animals with humans? The world would be drowning in misery. Animals feel pain, fear, and love, just like we do. Their lives aren't worth any less, just because they belong to another species. It's time we recognize their suffering and start acting with compassion.